one are the part two. Some of us when be women, let's say the truth. Some of us character is not good. The way we tell you treat our men, some person not good. Wagi agbo dena temata ologu wagbe ologi magbe. A sister, we no bien no biani. O biani wa ivagba suffer. Okay, you know, get to pack it to boo whenever the country when be so na come day now. You begin to complain the man they give social up and down. Majority of these some women when they do this thing so. Not be say these men they get what they do to them, but because they want to be the boss, they want to be the one that want to be holding that money. That ego ni ya very new one maso si me ya deli me ego ni ya we had new one gonna be elected every year now. Because some women they just want the food, they want to do the charge. They don't want make that man make it touch that thing, that money with government. We na gele bode na temata. We na winner. Una gele a winner. Order for na winner. We are hope yani you worry. For example, say government assist to work. We know they get assistance from the government. Can only you want work and take care of your 5 children, 6 children, 7 children, 100 children, one are they born? Can you? Because very soon they will stop them. So that one feel they stay with una husband. Because some women una all not just good. When they drive our men, they come up for us again. What's in the area, And for you, brother, no consider with your woman for us. They begin they fight with the kid they get. I don't know money what they give una. They give una there. No sit down for her begin they begin they wait. Say make this woman. I not vex now. Cook I they cook. I not fit talk. You understand? No sit down for us. No let that your woman. No let that thing. This thing suits you. Or that free money when they give. Because if I will not get it, don't be so now. They take government to get us assist to what? Why or make 30 no why I be a lawyer. I wish some of you now when be this men una they work very hard. Work very hard. Una would they think of say una want they born those children una they born for everywhere so. Oh, we are not there and working. It is very difficult for a woman to merciless that man. That you start depending on that woman on the benefit on the children's money. My dear, you cannot. Woman cannot respect you. But if you are working, as you are coming as you are planning it to come and meet your woman, as you are having that thought, immediately you get to that country, tell your woman I want to go and work. Or school for the rainy days. Because you see us will be women so. Some of us, wherever, some of us so. But my dear, we don't banker. We no be stronger for yourself. It depends on your own. Your own deceive you where only because you see us will be women. You see some women. If they enter their head tomorrow, they say, get out from my house. Get that, not stay in my house. Yeah, why they never bros. Work hard. If you know say country where you did, you get paper for them. And you know want me you stay that place again. You want me you come meet your woman. Bros, as you come. Quick go school. Go school or go work. So that you can earn your respect from that woman. You see us when we women so. Woman go your day as 24 hours. Would you go? Would you go? School you not go because majority of now when be the male a school go as you. A go as you. In most especially ni wa go ho na wa everywhere ni. Some of them when we say they get diploma. Abi what they call that their degree that they carry. They just get out to the chop women money, laziness to work. My bros now yourself you they do. You see that girl when they say that they not work, she they make folks for food for you all the time. They cook for you. As an when you got turn or a turn or feel that more for you buy. Or could do you from upstairs that they throw your back on that. Now no say now women get many now get opportunity for the country. Okay. Now that women I get right. If you do any she call police will go carry you, go throw you for outside. Bros, work hard. Think twice before you think of relocating.